Hey peeps, it's Daxani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I asked all of you guys on my Instagram to vote whether to draw a VSCO girl for the elements air or earth. And, drumroll please, the majority chose air! Yes, the winner is air, and hey, I also did count the votes here on my YouTube channel in my last VSCO girl video. So I thank you all for participating in the poll and for commenting on my channel. I hate making decisions myself, so this really helped me out, honestly, because I would have gone back and forth and I wouldn't have made a decision. So thank you, I really appreciate you. Alright, if you are new to my channel, I'm just gonna put this out there, but I do suck at anatomy. I already know this. But of course, I'm really up for critiques. As long as you're respectful and polite about it, you know, don't be rude about it, then, you know, I'm all good. Everything's cool. But, alright, moving on. I just want to put that out there. Okay, first and foremost, the drawing that you see on the left, that one belongs to me. It's mine as well. I was just using that drawing for reference. If you want to see like a nicer version of it, it's on my Instagram. The hoodie, I was going to do a crop top hoodie with her wearing some jeans or maybe some leggings, but then I felt like, you know, as I continued to look through Pinterest, I saw a lot of quote-unquote VSCO girls wearing, hold on, what is that? Look at those feet, you guys.
What are those?
Oh my god. I'll get back to the feet in the shoes later. But anyways, the hoodie, I felt like an oversized hoodie would be really appropriate for the element of air. You know, when you think of air, it's very like lots of breeze, you feel good, and I felt like the VSCO girl for the element of air should be in something that's really relaxing and comfortable. You know, she's just floating there with some clouds. She's got her VSCO accessories, you know, like that Kinkin backpack, and I do a water bottle, and you know, we got that Polaroid camera going on too. So she's got her accessories, and I wanted like to work with a lot of like teal colors. I knew that for a fact, but I was like having trouble with the color background I wanted, so you'll see that change constant in this video. But also, you know, I did want to incorporate the Birkenstock sandals because, you know, that's just one of the many clothing items that makes a VSCO girl, are Birkenstocks. So, you know, I tried my best, you guys. I tried my hardest. Feet, yeah, it wasn't working out. I hated drawing the feet. I hated drawing the shoes. But you know what? If I continue it, if I practice, I'm going to get it. It's going to happen. I'm going to succeed in doing so. God damn, look how ugly it is. Oh my gosh. This is funny. I'm gonna look back at this video years from now and I'm gonna be like, dang, look how much I improved. Like, I can draw shoes now, you know? Like, I can't wait until that moment. It's going to be a grand moment. So even if the feet look a little crusty, you know, and I wanted to force myself to try it. Well, I shouldn't say force, but I was really determined to really actually go for drawing a full body. And I'm glad I tried. Did I succeed? No. No, but I think it was, you know, a great effort. And I like it. I really like it. The feet, not so much. Bleh. And at first I was gonna add puka shells as a necklace, but I think I just felt so bad for the feet. I was like, let me just add like a puka shell ankle bracelet around her ankles, I guess, to give it some kind of flair. But I don't even think the puka shells helped the feet. Oh my god. But anyways, okay, we're gonna talk about something else. We're not gonna talk about feet anymore. But I was kind of like 50-50 with the face, but honestly, like, I really like the eyes. I like the shape of the eyes that I made, and then that color blue. It's like a really deep blue, and I kind of feel like it stands out in a way because I want to make everything else like really pastel, but her eyes are gonna be like this darker color. And I was gonna make her hair black, but I didn't want any dark colors, so I went with brown. And what's the whole point of being a VSCO girl without the scrunchie? Like, duh. So I drew her wearing the scrunchie instead of just having it on her wrist because, you know, she's got this oversized hoodie with these large sleeves, and you know, what's the point of drawing the scrunchie on her wrist if you can't see it because of these large sleeves? So she's just wearing it and she looks fabulous. And look, okay, you guys, look, the hoodie that I designed for this character, I'm a little bit jealous because I'm gonna need this in my closet. I don't know if there's a hoodie that looks similar to this out there. If there is, I'm gonna be hella shocked, but I'm gonna buy it. But I really like how I designed this sweater. It's super simple, but it's cool. You know, I mean, I love hoodies. I think I have way too many hoodies, and it's summertime right now. And you know, the winters here in California, it's like it's hardly winter anymore. I don't understand. It's not as cold as it used to be. But look, all I know is I'm gonna need this sweater. I'm not really a fashionable person. The only type of clothes that I actually care about buying is like anything that's Disney related, like from Who's It's and What's It's, Cake Worthy, The Lost Bros. Like honestly, if I could, I'd buy every single thing from their merch store because I freaking love anything that's Disney related. So I would buy all these Disney type clothing to Disney bound in and to wear every day if I could. But yeah, that's just me. Gosh, we're back at the feet. I don't even know, like I didn't even give her toes. I was just so I don't know. I was determined to draw a full body, but I was just very insecure about drawing toes on her feet because I was like, they could be some crusty looking toes. I might accidentally give her some bunions or some corns on her feet. And you know, I'd rather give her these little, I don't know, these eraser rubber round looking feet, these Barbie looking feet. But shoot, I think Barbie has toes at least. But yeah, okay, I think that's all the close-ups that I end up doing for the feet for this video. I think I'm pretty much done with drawing her. So here we have the background. I'm, you know, filling in the clouds, getting ready to do the clouds. And I was really confident when it came down to coloring them to make them look super fluffy and stuff. But when I actually ended up doing it, I was kind of disappointed in the clouds. I was like, oh, it doesn't look as nice as I thought that they would have been. I think I was just trying to figure out like texture wise, and I used like I had to smudge the colors together because I wanted the clouds to have like kind of like these sunset looking colors in the clouds, and I was trying to combine all these colors in and trying to make them blend and look nice, but they kind of look stiff. They don't look nice and soft or fluffy. So I don't know if you guys know any like cool techniques or something like that you've come across. Send a link my way. You could send it to me on Instagram or something, or if there's a video that you have seen that kind of shows you how to make like really cool clouds, you know, not like nothing like realistic, but something that's like that maybe that I can incorporate into making the clouds look really nice and fluffy. Like these, I was just like, how, like what else can I do to these clouds to make them look nice? But they're so simple looking. I need to practice with that. I mean, honestly, I do love drawing clouds. I don't draw them often in my artwork, but just the ideas that I have, they just, when it comes to drawing clouds, it just doesn't work out. And of course, as I said before, drawing little items and stuff is very tedious for me. Half the time I'm just like, ugh, gosh, I don't want to do this. And I think I would probably start drawing the items first, just to get them over with. And, you know, maybe do like the person last, because, you know, save the best for last, as they say. But the Kangen backpack, that was actually really fun to do, because I think I was just really proud with how nice and accurate that it turned out to be. And, you know, the Polaroid camera too, I thought that turned out pretty well. I think it could be better, but I think it turned out pretty decently. The water bottle, on the other hand, yeah, I mean, it doesn't really look like a water bottle that would, you know, quench my thirst. But it is what it is. It's water. If she's like dehydrated, she's gonna drink it because it's there. It's water. You know, we need to stay hydrated in the time of the heat. And you know what? She's trying to stay cool. And of course, I took some of the clouds away too, because I just felt like it was just an overcluster of clouds. And I just added the circles in the background because I thought it would pop more. And I was only gonna add one circle, but then I was like, no, let's try adding another one. And then I was like, how about another one? And then I was like, oh, this actually turned out really good. So yeah, this is the VSCO girl for the element of air. Oh, there she is, looking all breezy and stuff, like it's just another stroll in the sky. She actually looks good. I love her. I like the pastel coloring. Those Birkenstocks look like as if they're coming from the 99-cent store, but hey, you know, as long as they're comfortable, if my character is good, no one's complaining. She still rocks them. She looks good in them. It don't matter. Alright, I'm done. But thank you guys for listening. Thanks for watching, and I shall chat with you soon in the next video. Bye!